A world getting smaller. Globalization is the increasing connection and reliance between countries and people. Advancements in technology, transportation, travel, and communication make it easier and cheaper to move goods, services, ideas, and people across borders. Our world is becoming smaller, a global village connected through trade and cultural exchange. The trade boom and its backlash. Globalization has supercharged international trade. Trade volumes have skyrocketed, consumerism is at a rise, emerging economies like China and India have become major players, and products are often made in multiple countries through global value chains. This has led to amazing benefits like economic growth and greater access to goods and services. However, it also triggers worries about jobs and industries threatened by foreign competition. The result is a paradox. Globalization connects us, yet it also fuels protectionist feelings in some places. Protectionism under pressure. Globalization challenges traditional protectionism in many ways. Supply chains are now global. Tariffs and other protectionist measures disrupt these chains, raising costs and causing delays for businesses. Competition is increasing. Domestic industries face more competition from abroad, which can be good in the long run but painful in the short term. Work is changing. The world is moving towards a knowledge-based economy where skills and innovation are more important than cheap labor. Protectionism may not be effective at saving jobs in industries that are becoming less competitive. Consumers want more. People are used to having a wide variety of goods and services at low prices thanks to globalization. Protectionist measures that raise prices or limit choice can be unpopular. Cooperation is necessary. Globalization encourages countries to work together on issues like trade, climate change, warfare, and health. Protectionism can damage this cooperation and lead to trade wars and tension. The Balancing Act. Policymakers face a tough task. They need to harness the benefits of globalization while reducing its negative impacts. This means helping workers adjust to the changing global economy through education, training, and support systems, making sure trade is fair and that all countries follow the rules. Protecting the environment from the negative effects of trade and globalization. Encouraging innovation so domestic industries can compete globally. Working with other countries to solve global problems and create a more inclusive and sustainable world economy. The road ahead. Globalization and protectionism are in a constant battle. Policymakers must find a middle ground that maximizes the benefits of globalization while protecting workers and ensuring fair competition. This is no easy feat, but it is essential for navigating the economic realities of today. The bottom line is this: globalization is here to stay. The challenge is to make it work for everyone, not just the wealthy and powerful.